Today we are going to be dividing two rational expressions, and we are going to do that by using factoring first, and then using the division reciprocal. So what you're going to do first is try to factor, because what you're trying to do is reduce these fractions with variables. So these are rational expressions, and so when you do on the top, on the numerator, is that you have to factor it. They don't have anything in common, so I would refer back to, if you don't know how to do it, factoring using the ABC method or factoring using mental math videos. And so what you do here is you get 3n minus 10 and n minus 6 in the numerator. And on the denominator, we look that they do have something in common. They have a 3 in common, and so we're left with 7n plus 3 in the denominator. And then we have a division sign. The 3n minus 10 have nothing in common, so we're just going to leave it alone. And the denominator has to be factored again. Use the ABC method or factor using mental math, because both of these had a leading coefficient greater than 1. So for this part right here, it would actually factor into 7n plus 3 and n minus 4. So right now nothing can cancel. I cannot cancel this one and this one because they're right next to each other, and I cannot cancel these two either. So I have to actually change the division to multiplication. So then we do 3n minus 10, n minus 6, all divided by 3, 7n plus 3. And then in order to change the division to multiplication, we have to actually do the reciprocal of the rational expression that's after the division sign, not the one that's before, the one that's after. So this is the only one that changes there. So the denominator becomes the numerator, and the numerator becomes the denominator. And so now, because we did that, now we have things that actually cancel out. So this 7n plus 3 and the 7n plus 3 cancels out, and then this 3n and that cancels out, and that is everything that cancels out. So now I could just rewrite my answer as n minus 6. That's from the left numerator. And then from the right numerator, we have that. Since it's multiplication, I could just write that n over 4, and on the bottom the only thing that's left over is that 3, so everything is divided by 3, and this is your final reduced fraction with the variable, which is called a rational expression, and they have nothing in common, so I've reduced it as much as I could.